I'm in the process of moving my mattress. I got this mattress cover here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how this thing works, do kind of a live demo of it, and then what it looks like when it is on the mattress, you know exactly what to expect when your cover arrives. But how I like to do is I do a lot of these by myself. I just lean my mattress up against the wall and I just slide this over. I find that's like the easiest way to do this. So now that I got it slid over, I'm just gonna tip my mattress over, zip it shut, and this thing is ready to be moved. And here is what the final product looks like when it's on the mattress. So it's gonna keep your mattress dry. It's also airtight too, so if you are storing for long periods of time, you know, keep the dust out, keep the bugs out, all things like that. And what's cool too is they do give you handles here. So they're gonna have on both sides and also on the back too. So if you are carrying it with somebody, it's gonna make that process a lot easier. But does the job exactly as it should, perfect for moving. You can do it by yourself getting on there. Very happy with this. 2 thumbs up.